Okay, fourth grade, we are going to go ahead and build this snowflake together. Press create a new design. Bring over a scribble and choose one of these vertical lines as your line of symmetry. We are just going to draw on the left of it, not on the right. And you are just going to click and draw. It does not matter what you do here, but you're going to come down that line at the end. You'll notice mine's not totally perfect. It does not matter at all. When you get a shape that looks weird like this, you're going to press done. You're going to go ahead and leave that shape clicked on and press duplicate. It made a copy, it really did. And then you're going to press mirror. That's going to allow you to press this bottom arrow and make an exact copy of that one and flip it. You're going to take your arrow keys and you're going to arrow it over until that middle line comes together. Just the best you can. It doesn't have to be perfect. It never will. Snowflakes are not. Then you're going to take and click in the plane out here and highlight. And then you're going to press the grouping tool to bring that together. You're going to come to this center white mark and you're going to change that to 2 millimeters thick. I'm going to move mine up over here. I am going to grab a polygon piece and bring it onto my canvas. I want to rotate this just a little bit. You'll see it's hard to work with. You have to get the little bitty lines, not that white box. I'm going to rotate it so that it's as straight as I can get it. And then I'm going to scale it down to 2 because I might leave it, but I might get rid of it as well. Bring it right up to that snowflake. And then here's the cool part. I'm going to click on that snowflake piece. I'm going to duplicate it to make another copy. And then I'm going to click the rotate piece. It's in a weird spot. Normally it's on the bottom. And I want to rotate it 60 degrees. It went this way. A lot of times it'll go the other way. It doesn't matter what side, but you line it up on that polygon piece. And then here's the cool thing. You press duplicate and repeat, and it turns and lines it up on the polygon. So do that to fill in your entire snowflake. You'll notice that it did not make it perfect on my polygon. That's totally okay. No snowflake is perfect. Click on the side to highlight everything and group it. And then go ahead and grab a box because we're going to put a nameplate on these snowflakes. You need to bring it up high enough that it's not going to get stuck or fall off of the bottom parts of your snowflake. And make it 2 millimeters thick. I'm going to go ahead and take the text tool and bring it over and put it right on top of the snowflake. I'm going to make it 3 millimeters thick and then change the text to my name. I'm going to resize it so that it fits on that piece that I made. And then I'm going to click and drag to group everything together. Give it a second when it's doing this because it will pop up blue when it's all grouped, just like that. I'm going to change the name of my project to Dr. Kilgore's Snowflake. So that's set. I'm going to go ahead and go to Google Classroom. Because that's going to help me turn in my work. When Google Classroom pops up, I'm going to choose DLT 4th grade. I'm going to go to classwork. And I'm going to go to Dr. Kilgore's website. It opens in a new tab. So I'm going to scroll down and click on 4th grade. And I'm going to fill out this 3D printed items form. That's going to tell me that you are ready to print. If you do not fill out this form and press the blue submit button, then I will not be able to print your snowflake. Before you've done this, make sure that you double checked all of your measurements on that snowflake. When I asked you to change sizes, make sure yours are changed so that I will be able to print them. This is the end of our quick video tutorial. See me if you need help or if you're having trouble following the directions.